Welcome to Devices Help and Support. Your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the Netgear N600 Wi-Fi router setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. This process make your setup process easier and faster. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the box of a Netgear N600 Wi-Fi router, you'll find the main router device, along with a power adapter to supply it with electricity. An Ethernet cable is included for connecting the router to your modem or a computer. Additionally, there's usually a quick start guide that provides basic setup instructions. So let's start the setup process. Plug the power adapter into the router and then into an electrical outlet. Press the power button if it doesn't turn on automatically. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the yellow Internet port on the back of the Netgear N600 router. Connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router using another Ethernet cable. Alternatively, connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your connected computer. Type www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar and press enter. A login page will appear. The default username is usually admin, and the default password is password, both are case sensitive. If these don't work, refer to the router's documentation. After logging in, you'll be guided through the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions. Change the default password. It's crucial to change the default administrator password to something more secure. You can change the default SSID, network name, and set a new Wi-Fi password. Ensure that you select a strong encryption method, e.g., WPA2. Once the setup is complete, test your internet connection by browsing a few websites. If using a wireless connection, check the Wi-Fi signal strength in different parts of your home. Check for any firmware updates through the router's interface and install them if available. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.